A drug used to treat epilepsy could offer new hope to people suffering from a chronic cough. It's a problem that affects 16% of the population. Doctors at Newcastle in New South Wales found the drug Gabapentin offers some relief to patients who don't respond to the usual medical treatments. The findings have been published in the medical journal The Lancet, and the ABC's medical reporter Sophie Scott joins me now in the studio. Sophie, let's start with that nagging cough. What makes that different to cold and flu symptoms that we're seeing so much of at the moment?
Right, it's really quite different. These are people who have a cough for 8 weeks or longer and nothing works. The cough medicines don't work to stop the cough. So they test them for things like asthma, reflux, even sinus problems, and no medication works, and then it's a chronic cough.
So what's special about this particular medication? What makes it work?
Well, it's a medication called Gabapentin. It's used for epilepsy and chronic pain, and it suppresses the nerves, and they think it will suppress the nerves which trigger the cough in these patients in the same way as it works for epilepsy and pain.
So what's the outlook? This has been tried on 60 patients. Is it a long-term viable treatment?
Look, it is, because it's already out there and being used, so it could be quite soon that it gets on the market for these people with chronic cough, and there's nothing else to help them, so those people really need something.
Well, then the big question is, when will it be available? Because clearly there must be a lot of people who are waiting for a solution like this.
We've already had calls this morning from people ringing up saying, when can we get this drug? I'd say to be on the market relatively soon for this indication, because these trials have been so successful.
Sophie Scott, thanks for joining us.